Saying the life of a wildlife rescue, this little tiny Leslie. Hello, this is the Milo one. Let me know what you Deepest one. Today I've got this lovely. It's a nice climb, lovely job. See you later, pal. It's good to make them faster. This one, guys. Also like this one, guys. This deep diving cormorants drying out.